Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Friday. It's Friday the 11th. Um, Man, look at that push. I can't believe I didn't catch this shit. Yeah, you know what it is, man. It's just going against the trend. Well, I wouldn't say going against the trend because we did have a break, right? So that break happened. Yeah, but you could see right here this huge push up that occurred, right? Like it was there. So now what I'm seeing now, let's just go to the 15-minute real quick. I mean, I said it was going to reach up to this daily level. I didn't think it was going to do that, overnight or whatever, but it did come up to the daily and now it's pushing down quite a bit right now, right? We got Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything kind of coming down right now. So what I'm seeing is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now, I like the EMA right here. It probably is going to be used as support, and let's just do this, right? Uh-oh, my kid's already awake. Hopefully my wife could keep them in there. All right, so there's the 15-minute 50 EMA. All right, now let's do the Fibonacci from the most recent low to the most recent high. See how it rejected this daily though, right? Came back down. Um, Most recent low. Okay, I like this area right here to buy from. You can see the rejection that happened already. I like that. Golden zone. I mean, we could keep it simple like this, truthfully. We got about 6 confirmations right now. Go down to the 5-minute. Let's see if it's still here. Yeah, you can see that. You see the rejection. See how it's moving. Now, it did break below, but I think we still could. I think we're going to see a rally for a little bit, but we also got to know that stocks are not going to want to be in this area, right? They're not going to want to be in this area for too long, just because of the simple fact that um, the market can't have a strong stock market right now. And I think that's why I was looking for buys, but or sells yesterday. But at the end of the day, that's just on me. But I think we could see something like this and possibly head up to 27%, where we have something like maybe let's just call it 50 pip stop. 50 pip stop. All right. See if we could take it up here to the next level. All right. So that looks pretty good to me, unless we see a break below this low. Now we're looking for a break of structure to the downside, in my opinion. So let's go over here to NAS. Okay, NAS looks a little bit different because this low has been broken. So let's see this real quick. Let's go to the 15-minute. It's broken, but it's on top of the daily, right? So let's see. I mean, it looks pretty broken to me. Right, so here we have it. Hey, what's up, boo? What's up, my guy? Chilling? So there's the break of structure right there. In my opinion, right? If this low is broken, it's just what it is. Let's try not to make it too difficult, right? So we have this low that's been broken, and I think a lot of what's going on with this is there's a lot of layoffs going on. There's a lot of different things going on right now with these big companies, Tesla, that I believe is in the NASDAQ, Meta, which is in the NASDAQ, Twitter, which is in the NASDAQ, I think. So all these companies have mass layoffs going on. All these companies have, Twitter just sold, what, $4 billion worth of stock. So there's a lot of things going on right now that are going to contribute to things coming down right here on the NASDAQ side of things. So let's just say we go from the most recent high to the most recent low. Well, you know what? what I see right now. All right, so we go resistance to support, right? How big is this? This is, I usually try not to do more than 50 pips. 641. Yeah, that's about right. So we could do something like this, right? Most recent low to the most recent high. It's a little too dark. Right, so we have this area right here. So we could see a push up before price comes and rejects this area, which is very possible too. Now, both of these look clean to me, if I'm just being honest. So I like it. Let's see if we can get it going the right way. Identify the trend. We're obviously in an uptrend. The one thing I don't like, I would never put no sells right here. It'd have to break below. But once it comes up here, we got to know, okay, get a good position size in, and we'd be looking at something like this. Whoops. Oh yeah, and happy Veterans Day to all the veterans out there. So good morning, baby. Hey, I need you and your brother to go play in the room or something, okay? Oh, he can play in my room now? No, not really, but I think we could see something like this right here, down to this level. Don't let him play with any small toys, okay? Maybe down to here. There's a huge push right here too, right? Before we see a continuation up, and I'm sure we could see the 30-minute, right? 30-minute EMA right there. So this is something that we can look for. Some like this, and then we could be looking for reversals at this area because this is probably around the 38% area, but we'll see. We'll see what the market gives us. I think I like this trade a little more. We'll see if it comes down or if we get the rejection we want right now. Shit's coming down. I mean, that looks like it's coming down, right? Let's see if it can get back on top of this EMA. If not, then it looks like it's probably just coming down. I'm not putting in no buys until I see it like actually making a move, right? Man, we might just see a big fucking push down. The way it's kind of looking, the way that 1 minute looks is pretty obviously a push to the downside. Not a lot of movement today though. Might be because it is Veterans Day, so we'll see what the market's giving us. Damn, not a lot of movement at all. I mean, it kind of broke it now. Let's see if we can get a little retracement back up on US30, and then maybe we could hop in this bitch. I'd like to see a push down, see if we can get one, but little retracement coming right now. Maybe we can hop back in. But let's see how these candles finish because it could just push back up on us, right? See if it gets on top of there. I'm looking for buys now. We'll see, because it did break the low. I don't have anything in yet. I think it might be coming down now. Let's see. I put a little sell in right now. Yeah, this is canceled right here. I got a little sell in here, so let's see what we got. I'm up about 15 pips. Pips. Yeah, baby.
Have you opened one of these? You never opened it. It was for my 6th birthday. And I never opened it.
Let's see. I'm up a good amount right now. I ain't gonna lie. Might just close it off pretty soon. Let me see where we're at. 3 pips. We're about 40. Might just close it since there's not so much volume right now. So we could take it to about, let's see, the 30. Right about there. I mean, if we can, we can. I might just pull it, if I'm just being honest. I know there's not quite that much volume. Yep. And on the 1 minute, just got engulfed. Damn, I should pull it. Let me see here. There we go. Turn it down, baby. Turn it down more, baby. Gotta get it stopped out. Yep, just got stopped out. I do like what I see. It's breaking structure again right here, right? See if we can use this as resistance and get back in the trade. Alright, let's go. I think I'm going to just close it now. Alright, I moved my stops to break even now. Shit, we might just hit 100 pips today. $100 pips right now. I'm gonna pull some profit. Alright, that put me at 1,000 for the day. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Got in late, but you know, as long as we're doing it this way, we're alright. I'm still dropping. Damn. This shit's still going. Let's go. I like it. Let's go. Right at that 30-minute right now. I'm gonna pull some profit right here. 157 pips. Let's go. Hopefully it can keep it. I'm gonna leave that runner in there. I'm up, 1,200 for the day, so I'm actually happy about that. Got that loss back yesterday. And yeah, let's see. I have my take profit at about 200 pips. So right about here. It might reject and continue back up. I'm not too sure, but that's where I have my TP. What? What, puppy? Boop. Let's go. What, dude? So it's either it's going to come up and stop me out at, let's just put it down a little bit. We'll put it like at 750. Let's put it at 749. So about 11 pips into profit. Damn, let's go. I wish I kept the whole motherfucker in there. I might just come and hit my shit right now. Let's see. Shot all the way back up. It might respect it, so you never know. It could respect it right now. It's a possibility. You see it rejecting out of it. Just getting back up on top there. Damn, let's go. I mean, we're basically done for the day, so I'd say it's a pretty good day. The way things worked out, we're looking for a buy, original bias, but once it broke through there right at open, we could see that. Let me get down to the 1 minute. We don't take it instantly. We wait for it to break through. Once it broke through like this and use this as resistance, this is where we entered ourselves at, right? And we're able to hold this down the right way. And yeah, it's coming back up on us. It missed my TP, but that's why I take profits on the way down. And overall, I think we had a solid trade today. I think I closed at 157 pips so far, or 158 pips. We'll just call it that. So it wasn't bad. It was a good trade. Let's see if it can come back down and maybe push down a little bit more. That'd be dope. So we'll see right now. Still got my runner in there. We're at 110 pips right now. Make sure it's pretty accurate. Pretty accurate. So I think we're on point right now. But overall, pretty good trade. Market's coming down. I think it has to cool down a little bit from what it did. So overall, it's all good. And yeah, pretty decent day today. I'll take it. Pretty decent day, and we'll just leave it at that. It was a good day. Thank you guys for tuning in. Whoever did tune in, I hope you're able to make some money with me. And we'll get back to it on Monday. You guys have yourselves a good one, man. Thank you. Turn it down some more, baby. That's to break this area right here. You see resistance forming right there. Support, resistance, resistance, support, support. So it has to break through this, right? Then you can see it possibly continue down to the downside. Decent, but it didn't finish through. So we'll see. This one might just could build off of it. See that? That's exactly what I'm talking about. These are all little things that we got to supply and demand areas. Even these small ones, you got to look for it, right? Like even this ILC, yeah, it looked good, it looked promising, and then I opened, oof, broke through it, right? Then it broke through it, retraced, gave us time for entry, and we're able to go ahead and enter. So it might come up on us. We'll see. I'm not really tripping. It's a 0.01, so for me, it's like, all right, I either make 200 or I make fucking 10 or whatever it is. But we'll see where we're at with it. forgot it was Veterans Day today, but caught a pretty solid trade. Was originally looking buy, but as soon as this happened, now I was looking to see this being used as resistance, which it was. Entered my positions and were able to catch 157 pips on the best position, and I have a zero point zero 0.01 runner, about 10 pips into profit, my stop loss. And yeah, overall it was a pretty good day. We're already done and only been trading for about 30 minutes. Let's get it, man. All right, we done, baby. Let's go.